Don't you have something you should be doing?
Oh, seriously, what is gonna make you crazy ladies happy?
When we don't see you no more.
Get cancer. Then they'll love you.
Lie down. I'll get rid of them, and you can sleep.
It's okay, Esperanza. Can't like this be my visiting hours or something?
Hey, sorry, I didn't mean to throw you off. It's just, Las Catrinas is crazy, you know?
Believe me, I know. But they're cool. I want to get out of here.
I don't know that any of us are getting out of here. I mean, you're getting out of here. Listen, is there anything you need?
I never got to go to a baseball game.
Not missing much. I could spit peanut shells near your feet. Pretty much the same thing.
I never got to climb a mountain.
But you never got to fall off a mountain either. You're not in here for falling off a mountain, are you?
I never got to see a rock concert.
What? That's no way to live. Every kid needs to rock. You want a show? I'll give you a show.
What do you mean?
You're gonna get the rock show of a lifetime.
Are you serious?
I don't kid around about rock and roll. Okay, we need a band. Put on your promoter hat. While Wendy plays a pretty mean lute, let's see if she's up for it. Hey, Wendy! I have a new role for you to play.
No more role-playing. I'm done LARPing. I'm done with this city. As soon as I fix this boat, I'm out of here.
I'm forming a band and I need people who can rock.
Really? That sounds cool. You know, I played bass in a band one time, but it was only a garage band.
You're in!
Awesome! I'm actually excited! For once. I'd come and hug you, but I can't swim. Do you think you could tow my boat in for me?
Got it!
This boat is too heavy for just one harpoon. You need to attach 2 harpoons!
Got it! All right, you're moving! Really slowly.
That dock at the end is open. Use the harpoons to tow me in.
Here come the OD!
Keep those OD away from the harpoons! That harpoon just came off the dock. Attach one farther up.
Got it! Wingers!
Another harpoon gone!
Got it! Bunker!
Harpoons up the dome! Use those!
Got it! Shit! Gunkers incoming!
Harpoon down! Attach one that's in front of the boat!
Got it! Ryan's got their way around the back.
I'm not getting on to it until the coast is clear.
Shit! More OD! That's all.
All right, you got your bass player. When's the show? I need a little time to practice.
Tonight, at my base downtown.
Cool, I'll meet you there.
I need a drummer. Aren't they just hobos with girlfriends? Sam, I need a drummer.
I think Kim plays the drums. She has a merit badge for percussion on her sash. Not that I was looking at her chest or anything.
Do you know where she is?
Yeah, she's over by the concert hall. I'll tell her you're coming.
Sam told me you need a drummer.
You up for it?
Sure, but I need a kit. There's a bunch of drums in that truck down there.
I got this. Found the drum kit. And some taiko drums.
Watch out! Hopper's incoming!
Where?
Are you okay?
Yeah, but now we got an OD problem. Wait, I got an idea. Hey, thanks, helpful tutorial text. Now get to the next one without touching the ground. Now, melee slam! taiko drums lose their stylish luster. Now, melee slam! Almost had it. I gotta stay off the ground. Stylish taiko chain reaction.
Nice, I get it. You set off all the taikos in one chain, and you can kill all the OD at once. Then I'll be able to go in and collect my drums.
Yeah, okay. Now keep quiet. Gotta concentrate here.
Now slam the last one.
I'll get the kit and meet you at your base.
Now, I only need a lead singer and a guitarist. Not Sam, he's too whiny. Not Floyd, he's too... Floyd.
Hey, I just got in some new products. Finally, we'll make a deal.
Rockfest, huh? It's a long shot, but I'll give it a try. Holy shit! You're King Buzzo from the Melvins!
In the flesh, so to speak.
I'm putting on a show for some sick kids. I've got a bass player and a drummer, but I could really use a frontman.
Benefit show, huh? Cool. I'm there.
Awesome! I've got a base a few blocks away. Meet me there in a few hours.
I know the place. I'll be there. Now, if you could just take a step back.
Like this? You are coming tonight, right?
I said I was.
Yes. Yes, you did.
You still standing out there?
No. I mean, yeah, not on purpose. You know, I'm just tied my shoe. The Melvins are actually gonna play at my place. Sometimes the end of the world is pretty damn great.
We need one more piece of evidence to make sure this will all hold up in court. Head to the Sunset Water Treatment Plant. We believe the mainframe computer at the plant may still contain some incriminating data about Fizco. The power at the plant is down. You'll have to clean it up and get it running again to access the computers. Good luck and Godspeed.
gigantic pack of OD. This is literally covered in shit. Better be worth it. Clean up shit to get some shit on Fizco. Red will smell you, Fizco. I need to clean up. Plan is clean. Now I just need to turn on some computers.
Water treatment system check. Data drive error. Beginning data drive defragmentation.
Oh, hello, Fizco bots. Wasn't expecting you guys.
Fisco Extremophile Research and Development.
Extremophile R&D. Jackpot.
Action number 2. Delete all Extremophile data.
What? Don't delete. No delete data.
Action number 3. Self-destruct.
Nice job, Patsy. You did all the cleanup our automated system couldn't handle. You found all our secrets and in the process, destroyed all the evidence. Bravo!
Son of a...
Now the secrets die with you!
Attach these mines to any flat surface and watch it continuously attack enemies with a radial wave of death!
Someday. The Melvins are actually gonna play at my place. Sometimes the end of the world is pretty damn great.
Hey, you know what'll make these bats even better? If you make them better. Go kill some physical robots and look through their guts. You're looking for a piece like this one, here. I have no fucking idea what it does, but it looks important, doesn't it? Get 5 of them. Should be enough to kick these bats into overdrive. Oh. Ooh, overdrive. That's a good word. Fisco should have named their drink Overdrive instead of Overcharged, don't you think? Marketing folks sure fucked that one up.
Critical death protocol.
Prepare to die.
You better pick up that robot part.
That was easy. That was easy. Ish. Let's go cover up protocol. Program 187. You look thirsty. Try some overdrive inflicted. Hey,
That robot part.
got him!
You better pick up that robot part. Got it. Okay, 2 more.
Searching for evidence.
Cisco cover-up protocol. Survivor enemy.
Damage inflicted.
One more. Here I come, you robot sons of bitches.
Now you're looking a little light on ammunition, and I can solve your problem. Now you come back if you need more murder accessories.
to floor.
All right, these doohickey whatchamotherfuckers are gonna make those bats awesome. I hope. Way to go. Las Catrinas is scary, man. I'd rather go up against Fisco than them around the base so we can get loud. Downside is they might be powered by a little bit of overcharge, which means OD will come running. So lay down some traps just like you always do. Let Buzz know when you're ready to start rocking.
Siegfried, so great. Las Catrinas is
time to piss off the neighbors.
Check. 1, 2, check.
You did good.
That's an understatement.
You made a kid with tonsillitis happy. It's not like you saved the world or anything.
Yeah, I did tonsillitis. I thought he had cancer. Well done, little man. Well done.
We need a little more time to set up. Keep those OD out of the base, and we'll get started as soon as we can. Hey, one thing, don't let the OD near the fuse boxes. They're really delicate.
Keep him away from the fuse boxes. Got it.
the OD attack those fuse boxes, it's going to ruin the concert. Don't make my kids sad, or I'll make you dead.
Look at my new helmet! Ready!
We're gonna lose the fuse box. Those kids won't be happy.
It's the best trap! Victory's a blade!
Fuse box under attack. Just lost the fuse box. Protect the other one. Fuse box under attack.
My work here is done.
I thought you were gonna get killed quickly. Then I thought I was gonna kill you. But now I look forward to our time together. Until you're killed.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
This is the nicest thing. I'll show you how to get into Fisco HQ. But sneaking you in is as far as I'm willing to go. If we get killed with you, then the kids are as good as dead.
Okay, I think I have a plan. Sam, where are you?
I'm almost at the overpass.
Good. Let's meet there.
Las Catrinas is scary, man. I'd rather go up against Fisco than them any day.
Even guns as pretty as yours need ammunition. My guns are like my children. I build them, I love of them, and I sell them at a good price.
Chérie, I have the most incredible new stuff. That top is so cheap and gaudy. Oh, darling, it's so you. Those make your derriere look less terrible than usual. Oh, your shoes are hilarious.
Hey, man, what a coinky-dink. I was just about to call you. I've been thinking.
Bad things happen when you start thinking, Floyd.
Ha. That wasn't funny at all. Pretty dumb, actually. You gotta work on your act. Anyway, now that you got all us misfits working together, let's show our survivor pride. I made a United Factions flag. Use it to replace the physical flags around the city.
Let's take over downtown.
Well, don't just stand there. Let's do business.
Time to show everybody that Fisco don't mean shit anymore, right? I mean, except for all those motherfucking robots. Motherfucking robots. Not gonna give up their flag without a fight. Ah, damn it. They stopped it again. Smack it to jumpstart it. Looking good. Just one more flag. They're going after the flag. Keep them off.
Status critical.
Nice! I can see it from here. No, not really, I can't. But imagine how proud I would be if I could. But we ain't done yet. We still got more flags to place. Come see me when you're ready for the next one.
Oh, my favorite customer. Ah, fully loaded. Remember, always keep one in the chamber.
New fashions just came.
Jack at service.